As if that wasn't enough, researchers are also exploring its positive impact on kidney health, opening new avenues of hope for those affected by diabetic kidney disease. Semaglutide has become a game changer, a lifeline for millions of people who have grappled with the challenges of diabetes and obesity. Its results speak volumes, presenting a bright future where the burden of those conditions can be alleviated. And with ongoing research and continuous development, who knows what other surprises this little wonder drug may have in store for us. We dive deeper into the realm of semaglutide. The horizons of possibilities seem boundless, offering a glimmer of hope and for a healthier and happier world. See, the thing is, we do offer this at Texas Institute for Anti-Aging Research, but we also offer Mounjaro. I personally tried it. We try everything that we offer our patients. And one thing I will say is you must lift weights just as heavy as you possibly can during this time, because you're not going to be hungry, you're not going to want to eat. Therefore, you're just like, well, I don't really have to work out. I'm losing weight anyway. So you don't want to lose your muscle, and that can happen easily. So that's just sort of the note to self on there. Give us a call, 832-655-8200 to schedule your consultation.